All right, you guys, welcome to Trading by Design. It's your boy Lewis, and today I'm just gonna go over some charts, see how I set up. Right now, I'm getting ready for the New York session, so just join with me as I go over what we can catch today. Euro Swiss coming from a peak formation low, so we are looking for buys. So let's see what we can see here for this New York session. So from the London session, we did come from the bottom below the Asian range, pushing price, passing the upper side of the Asian range. So that, based on my experience, I can already see that price or this pair will most likely form a continuation trade. So basically, what a continuation trade will be is that um, we have price coming from the top here, this top. Price will come down either to the middle of the Asian range and then continue to go up. This will be considered as a continuation trade. So hopefully this pair will form that so I can enter the trade. So I'm going to leave that here just to keep a eye out on that one. Let's see what the next one got up for us. So next one we got EuroCAD. Already coming from the peak formation high, I am looking for sell setups. So let's see what we got here. All right. So I can already see that it's possible forming a multi-session M. So what that will look like is that we have the second leg created here, waiting for the apex to finish creating so it can form a second leg. So I'm hoping that that second leg will form so I can enter the trade over here in this area right here, making this a multi-session M. All right, so next one we have here, coming from peak formation high, price has passed 3 times ADR, and it looks like it did create a super cycle, meaning that price is more than 3 times. It could be anywhere from 4.5 to I would say 8 times ADR. But at this point, I'm just waiting for the EMAs to cross, confirming me that we are creating a peak formation high. I'm sorry, peak formation low. But at this point, I don't see that evidence happening, so I'm just going to leave this alone. All right, next one we have GBP AUD coming from peak formation low here. I do see that price did went up, but price decided to drop back down, and I see price was already touching this peak formation low level here. So most likely that price will decide to either make a reset or a failed reset. So again, I'm not gonna pay attention to this pair till later this week, just so I can see price either um, closing to go back up, creating a new peak formation low, and this will be a failed reset, or price will break through this level, creating a new reset. So it'll be something like this. So price breaks through this level here, it will be considered as a reset. Now, if price decides to come back down here, push back up, this will be considered as a failed reset here, creating a new peak formation low to get back to the 3 times ADR down here. I mean, up here. Next one. Next one, we have GPP JPY coming from a big formation low. I could see that price is consolidating, so it's just going up and down. Not really interested in this type of trade, only because it's just going up and down. Doesn't really interest me. But sometimes, like I said, there are opportunities to trade, just like down here. But I would like to see price pushing down more in order for me to at least try to enter for this pair to trade. As you can see, nothing really happened here. Um, no good setups. So I'm just gonna ignore that one there. Next one we have GPP USD. You can already see peak formation high created down up there. So I am looking for sells. All right, going to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what will happen today. All right, so I do see here in the London session did created a type 2 M here, which is this right here. So what I would like to see from in the New York session is I just want to see a price going back up here to this level. So it will be creating a multi-session M just to go back down. Or I will also would like to see price drop down to the Asian range, coming right back up to at least the middle of the Asian range, making this a continuation trade. Um, Most likely that won't happen, but if it does happen, I would like to see that happening around 9:30, between 9:30 to 10:30. Next one we have GBP Swiss. Let's see. So coming from the peak formation low, we are looking for buys. I do see that price is almost getting up to 3 times ADR. So let's see what we can find here. All right. So I do see here price coming up. Coming up from the coming down from the Asian range here in the top. Price is coming down. So what I would like to see is price coming back up to the middle of the range, creating a continuation trade. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah. Wait, no. I'm sorry. Let's see. So we are looking for buys. So I would like to see this as a multi-session W. So this what it will look like. So again, we are coming from a buy. We are coming from a peak formation low. So we are looking for buys. So for this pair, I would like to see a multi-session W, just so we could tag up to this level here. All right, welcome back, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna review what happened in the New York session. Starting off with GBP Swiss, as you can see, price did form a multi-session W, second leg in the New York session. Here we have a pullback that was made perfect to enter the trade. Would have got 32 pips off of this trade. Next one, we have the Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss, they created a continuation trade, meaning price went up in the London session, passing the Asian range, going back to the middle of the range, making this a continuation trade to go up. We have this nice pullbacks opportunities to enter into this trade. Did place a buy order to enter and just ride it out. Was able to get 32 pips off this trade. Mind you, we were coming from a peak formation low, as you can see here. So I'm expecting more buy setups for this pair until we meet 3 times ADR. Next pair, we have the Euro CAD. As you can see, Euro CAD made a multi-session in the New York, making this the second leg. As you can see, this with this pair, I was able to get 49 pips off this trade. Yeah, price kept going down. It's okay. Um, we were coming from a peak formation high. Still expecting more sells for this pair until we meet 3 times ADR. All right, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please just drop a comment down below, like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing more videos like this one. Until next time, guys, have a good one. God bless.